Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you step by step how to do a French fishtail braid. Perfect for beginners. If you've ever wanted to try this braid but felt it was too tricky, don't worry. I'll break it down super simple so you can follow along without any problem. Let's get started. Take a small section of hair from the top of your head and split it into two equal sections. Cross the left strand over the right strand. Then hold both in your left hand. Pick up a small section of hair from the right side and add it to the left strand. Move the strands to your right hand, making sure to lock the hair where the strands cross. Pick up a small section of hair from the left side and add it to the right strand. Now again, move the strands to your left hand and lock them into place. Pick up a new section of hair from the right side and a small piece from the outer edge of the right strand. Cross both over and add them to the left strand. Move the strands to your right hand and lock them into place. Pick up a new section of hair from the left side and a small piece from the outer edge of the left strand. Cross both over and add them to the right. Repeat the pattern. Move the strands to your left hand. Pick up a new section from the right and a small piece from the right strand. Cross both over and add them to the left. Move the strands to your right hand. Pick up a new section from the left and a small piece from the left strand. Cross both over and add them to the right. Keep this pattern going all the way down. For the right side, hold sections, add a new section of hair and a small piece from the strand. Then cross it over. For the left side, hold sections, add a new section of hair and a small piece from the strand. Then cross it over. Once you reach the nape of your neck and there's no more hair to add, switch to a regular fishtail braid. Take a small piece of hair from the outer edge of the right section, cross it over and add it to the left section. Take a small piece of hair from the outer edge of the left section, cross it over and add it to the right section. If you want to see a slower, more detailed tutorial on the basic fishtail braid, I've linked my How to Fishtail Braid for Beginners video in the upper right corner and in the description below. And that's how you do a French fishtail braid. Make sure to check the description for a playlist full of step-by-step tutorials for absolute beginners. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new hairstyle. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.